guys, today we're going to be making this fluffy slime right here.
No,
It's stuck.
blueberries, it's alpha.
Can you help me, please? It's stuck. No, the lid.
What?
It's stuck to the lid too.
Lid.
Right there. Okay, bye. You fixed the problem.
Hello, blueberries.
You already said that.
And today I'm going to be making.
She already put some glue in there, but
Yeah, so now I'm going to
No.
use.
that's all the slime you're gonna have.
No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm getting another thing of glue. And it's clear, so the more clear you have it, the more prettier it will look.
It'll only look like this. No.
Okay, now she's going to pour some glue in there for me. Only use half a bottle of the other one. That will make a hole. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 drops of the yellow. And then I'm going to use something.
It's gonna turn into this, as you saw, but it was stuck.
Oh my God, there's something. Okay.
So it looks orangish because it's in the thing.
Yeah, but you have to mix it until you see no orange whatsoever.
So that's gonna take a while.
No, the orange. So now I'm gonna add the shaving cream.
Don't add. Okay, that's
But
enough.
do not add a lot, or else,
It's not gonna turn out like this. Yeah. It's gonna turn out way foamier and not slime. And then just mix it.
Mix it until.
Add a little more.
Okay, you wanna add a little more. Okay.
There we go.
That's about enough. And then you're gonna mix it up like
And then stay flow
and then
with
you're gonna
starch,
use
which is at Walmart by the borax.
Well, I'm going to be making mine colorful, so I'm not gonna mix it all the way. So I'm gonna now use my stay flow.
Ew, what is that? It's gross. Ew.
I'm gonna pour a little bit in at a time.
Oh,
It'll be
stupid.
a little bit to me, but yeah, a little.
Oh
You're
no,
gonna see
gross.
the slime start to form in front of your eyes, ASAP.
You add a little bit more.
Okay, you're gonna add a tiny bit more. You have to be careful. Okay, and then as soon as the slime starts to form, then you're gonna, as soon as it gets harder, then you're gonna take this, slide it off, and get a marker. Get this dry erase marker here.
Don't use that side.
Okay, I'm gonna use the other side of it though. And I'm going to take this and set it over here. Now I'm gonna use this. And I'm
Works
going
a lot
to
better.
Works a lot better than contact solution. I'm thankful for that. Yeah.
Okay, you need to add a little bit more. It's not supposed to stick to the sides.
Okay, you need to add a little bit more stay
That's a lot.
I don't care. I want mine to be a little rubbery. I like my slime being rubbery.
You wouldn't once you feel my rubbery slime.
See, I can feel a little bit of foam. It's okay because it doesn't have to be completely perfect. So I'm gonna set this over here. Keep mixing it until it